In episode 6 of Industrial Edge for Machine Tools, I'm going to tell you some more about Analyze My Workpiece Capture for Analysis. You've learned a little about Analyze My Workpiece Capture and Toolpath and how they are working together in our last episode. This time, we will see how Analyze My Workpiece Capture for Analysis is also able to export datasets so that you can use and process them with your external data analytics software. You can export the data files either using REST API access, or you can just stream the data to your external data analytics software using the communication interface MQTT. Today, for example, I'm using MATLAB. You can use this to view the statistical distribution of tool speeds on the part, so you can keep an eye on the overall productivity. Or you can calculate power consumptions for each component, so you can optimize it if necessary. As a result, you can reduce your overall power consumption for a longer term. Going forward, you can also identify unnecessary acceleration and braking sequences. And by making improvements in that area, this can also help reducing your energy costs.